does not become the president of the republic. Timiye. The base are founded and organized by Yewia Bonsu, Oti Bonsu, and promoted by Agyapong. The only intention, again, tied the base here, and say, Yenye diabeye biya, said diabeya. Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia may the president of the Republic 2028. Mena me cancer of G2 team na enokre. Why am I saying so? The yeti free Kennedy Japan during the campaign, apart from Atemudi or Didi Amanfo, Yenfe no Tunche Yehona Yekone. Atem and Kennedy Japan di ye, and in some kind Yenfe no Tunche. Asama yeti free Kennedy na no say he was contesting said the obey day. Obey to me according kunim ediama the party call MPP. And everything that he was doing was to make sure say he can win power for the party called MPP because Dr. Bawumia was part of the Nando Danko Akufo-Addo administration. And Dr. Bawumia will not be accepted by Ghanaians because na oka Nando Danko Akufo-Addo na mamuo. Enti sa sama papa ikan ye eye nokra. Then somebody will ask say nokra pass party na opese we save na nimu dia. And the identity I to about we na worry we are imu eturu one kasa party one kasa party mkurana why we are mu eturu 23%. Why we serious identity I to about why are also one tiasie na wonam na afedie we ya woniema wo sumase. If actually your intention was to lead and win power for the MPP. That tells you, say, whatever Kennedy Japan told you during the campaign time, that it was about the party, that the party needs him to win power and all those things, that he's doing everything because he wants to make the party win power again. No, he free team and Tennessee. No personal interest because in yes Kennedy Japan the intention of contesting na say na enye ono kwa ne personal ambition na mbom na for the party sake and Kennedy would have remained in the party after the election and support the party to become more united than how it was in 2016. To make sure, say, we win power hands down from the hands of the NDC in 2028. But then what are we seeing? What we are seeing is, say, Yeura, Kennedy, Japan, Edin and Nima Kwakusie, hiding, and a one man named Crawford, Edianimu, and Omoyo Moho say, they are a movement. And Omoyo Moho say, Kennedy Japan is not part of them, but it's them that they want Kennedy Japan to come and be their leader. Me about nima. Yeah, the swimming pool and a political party. No ideology. And kwasi adede na eye fakrom. Ajimi fo bi koto swimming pool ma omo hawo nyina eso atwa. That is what we do to have a political party. Abusia, the ekoso ne ewo Ghana maimo the base no a baseless ones. Second, it is a greedy agenda of the man called Kennedy Japan and Oti Bonsu. One, the purpose of that party is to seek, say, Yeura, Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia does not become the president of the republic unless a hot never say man yo there. Bra. The idea of the base party is to make sure that Dr. Bawumia never becomes the president of the republic unless Kennedy Agyapong decide and demand and approved from the MPP what he will get when MPP comes to power. TME, yeah, politics. Maybe a political science student. Me can't say my TME. Me about my. From 1992, me pemene. Party biya ni ho a what to me ayeden at me emerge in the society what to me enye ginaso e wa batuom. You can count them from the NDC side, from the MPP side, from the CPP side, and all over. Because the way the NDC and the MPP are more strategizing or more across the whole country, no. There is nowhere a political party to me emerge no to me that you cannot, because the MPP and the NDC are the most organized political party in the country as of today. You can have billions of euros, of cedis, of dollars, but it will take you more than 50 years or even more. And to me with a new party in the country, what to me. It is say the agenda of the base is to win power in 2028 for Kennedy Agyapong to become president of the Republic. Politically, or you're very ignorant. But you may see be on what in year. If any individual, a nipa bia, I will be when the country say the idea behind the base, the baseless political party, base Yankoshi party no, and a Yankochebi party no, and he said they want to emerge as a victorious for the 2028 election for Kennedy to become president. May look into the face of that person and understand from the bottom, say, that person lacks knowledge about politics. The idea of this baseless political party is just to what? Extort MPP. Yepese yamfase kan si MPP mene. Na yen decide what MPP must do for some few people if MPP comes in power. Temiye Otibonsu, a businessman. Kennedy Agyapong is a businessman. Kennedy Agyapong and Otibonsu, they have watched Dr. Bawumia from afar. They know the character of Dr. Bawumia. They know how Dr. Bawumia cares about the country. They know the character and the attitude, the manner of governance, the ideology of Bawumia's governance. They know everything. And Kennedy Agyapong and Otibonsu, they know actually, say Dr. Bawumia be president here. Yet the more power by mu no Sabeka, because Bawumia is more disciplined than even Akufo-Addo. Bawumia na no sesra, don't forget to. Bawumia wahu. No na no sesra. Masa, don't forget, say, hey, you see, enso nyunu, enso share and fanipa. Enso nyunu ne fanipa. Enso nyunu and a fanipa. So people know the character of Dr. Bawumia. And Otibonsu and Kennedy Agyapong knows says Bawumia be president. They can't get what they want. So what we do? This baseless political party is just to extort contract positions, favors from the MPP party who is coming to win the election 2028. And we are trying to showcase, say we have the masses behind us. But you tell me, when we say we will be a boxing match, now you see if they be showcase. Coach now you are bati. Anytime, we have muswa the end ya no. Ono na brebiano or showcase it to be more stronger. Enti the omo ye nyina me mo the base video bia o ha me ni adaje me de nkwase asem me ni adaje wo ho. The nkrofo we ye nyina wo a wo ti kira unnim de eko. Na why you adwene say you are campaigning, you are doing something for Kennedy Agyapong because he must become the president of the Republic in 2028 no. Why that? The idea adwene na machire and say either we don't allow Bawumia to become the president, or Bawumia becomes president by undergoing on our regulations. Yebemano dia manage the affairs of the country. Enti na Dr. Bawumia na ma one Kennedy Agyapong okasa no. Ena Kennedy Agyapong ne nkrofo so ahye say omon kaja ngum. Now omon map the base ne like a serious organization. Set the beya Bawumia ne Kennedy Agyapong table so omon negotiate no. Bawumia will be little bit in a wrong position to challenge much of the things that they are going to demand from him. But ye emfa ai peba bi fa ne enwene ho abusia say enye den emfa. Kennedy, you can build 70 political parties. Bawumia will be voted strongly by the people. Extortion conduct to be a modebeko Bawumia nim no, it will turn against you guys. Abusia asem we ya make nya agro na media. Small political parties or more my mono, especially in Ghana's history. No, every political party kitwa be Ghana bia ukomukomwa, they align with one bigger party than PP or NDC. What happened? Oba Baimuno Mami Babijina will talk for you. Even the political parties are Kesiano, they are the people mumpone nante kosa smaller parties in ho. Ekope you need so no moben omuni omobenante ebine akwawe mahama yariga onu se oni NDC for nante. He's working for the NDC. Akwawe yoti Odike was MPP person. He was working for the MPP. Alan Kwajochi the maintain wanted to what? Extort NPP, but amfa omodoso. Maybe I think that there's one every woman be. I don't remember the name. That woman is in bed with the MPP. So every political party that comes out, party kitobe about Timbiano. The aim and they say how I can negotiate for me, the leader of the party, from the winning party in power. And to now the agent grow. Now you are say you are going to campaign for Kennedy Agyapong to become president. Tell me about ma. The wadrone edi akro yebu akra yebu jimifo yebu jimifo we are say boy, if you want to emerge as a person, just have people that follow you. Unya nipa dodo mo mudi wa chie to say uye omo fana abra. Everywhere you go the door is open. We are say office bia u kumna okopa ade na wanko as you alone now wo dom di wa chia. You are always welcome. That is what these guys want to do. Now, I mean, when I more video, when so video we see Ane Ko Ibrahim Mahama, any new so udeti.
The base. Because as for this one, the be with people. Yes, okay. I need an eye contact on this one.
Okay.
The base. Before I bet you you have to appreciate the history of this country when it comes to politics. And go for a few politics, every party. Akotu Omoakasa party. Now listen. I remember 2004. Chamana yebe prepare Akko elections. NPP for a national, regional, executive elections. All the regions. Then Ashanti region, you know. Papa Bini Efeno Sam Kuju won the secretary, regional secretary, at the expense of Mr. Kwabneji aka Bambata. At that time, na Bambata wo Nana Kufuado camp. Or na party ni Mwache, your President Kufo and your Kufuado time. So they thought say Kufo as a sitting president at that time, and we used to the incumbents, you know, and I say to me. And or the manipulate the election Bambata to be a secretary, because if Bambata had become a secretary, Alan Chamatin could have emerged as a flag bearer in 2028 to 2008. So out of that, Bambata left the party and formed his own political party. Okay, that's NRP. Now 2008, some party no more President Kofone Agyapong at that time and Owura Kodum Pianim came to them. They sat them down and solved the problem. Gave them a juicy contract vineyard and Omujai. Oman Distabu NPP in 2024 election. 2008 they emerged again. Wabasa ban and the NPP for a few more say sana margin yamu bubi amu pese mu yese ni abehumo. So Emma Mr. Yamuaponko of Yamuaponko those days e join omo but bibi NPP from aba. Ye koye election no and a core second round no. Bambata gave it to NDC. Joined President Mills to win election for NDC. And Obenya board so now ECG contract akese ni ade. Saadi ni few on asa ekota esabide to ho say and obia ba bibi ntina se ana wate political party. So the bichi. Now, let's take this one too, for example. There was another political party. It didn't start from Ashanti regional. Another political party na yefeno United People's Party. No, United Front Party. Jataba Party and Omokofa Odike as a financier. Then when Odike came, Jataba will say no, come yashe. And he fought and took back the party and Odike Kokoti on one party. You know why? Because in 2012, when Odike led the party, he got the juicy things because we endorsed mahama. Odunu benya the juicy things than the one that formed the party. It is sanity because it's always smaller parties. No, oh yeah, no, what position we abina damai takwa damai issue yabe. Ibrahim Mahama issue. Oh, no, a comment about Ibrahim Mahama. Oh, party we quite support. Then the certain party, no, ruling government, no, oh ye. Jamaica what I say. That is what happening. So because of that, Odika will say, yes, yeah, mammy, you better disturb them, dear mammy, quoting me, I'm a party, and no cocotte, UPP, United, your friend is a People's Party. Apelu, on the Adokofo issue, Messia. Or the Quartier Party. Oh no. Obia Wati Party, with the exception of Dr. Obeda Samoa, who formed a political party to correct the anomalies in the NDC, which he thought that President Wallace at that time were hijacking National Democratic Congress. So they needed to correct something. But me and fly. But I'm flying a bomber sa culture of silence and they want NDC no. It me by because those days they so much be criticizing Wallace. You understand? Guzitano form NRP, the agenda or the form NRP to reduce NDC for NPP to come to power. And if I'm a person me arrive. Hassan Ayariga will form APC from PNC because officer PNC political party no they be a beko congress ye kwa mi betimi afiri ho e basana I meet somebody that say be a baby ba menene be jojo 11 ne manya mini buti Jamaica na acha say now obia obete party bia no e any interest tell you obia obete political party out of NPP or NDC and you know any interest in meeting or the party no and yes so be winning election
has been 92.9
o record the Agyapong and in the base their interest out the base is not to win political power. Never be paid to mama mebru. It is never true. The reason why they are forming the political party, the interest, they say, we have to make sure that Dr. Mabudu Bawumia does not become the president. That is all. That's all. Jamaica, what I say? The agenda, everything that he's doing is to make sure, say, Dr. Bawumia does not become a president. You pay obey me a good base. When I'm catch off. Interest was I do when will be beard will be. I can no idea. Edia. Maybe I will be just like Alan Chamatini, echo for me the movement, how I movement. The idea is to make sure that NPP does not maintain break the 8. When you need this country, when you want to take part in the election, I buy NPP and this war. And I'm speaking based on information. Because since 1992, we'll be a winning election that NPP and based on this information. I want to win 5%. No, make just workers will be at the party and your interest.
Okay. All right.
Jamaica, what I say, it's a big interest. Now listen, and focus. I'm coming and focus. Oh, and Michael Quay, your friend say, report the buy and almost say, you rack in the Japan for free party, and Mutina or Pese or Tene party. But that information came before and sana omo contested call presidential primaries. So if Saturday na inform we work in the Japan to form his own party, I didn't assign information in a long time no and sana omo call presidential primaries no one can say any party no mu yame mami twem ho na me call for me my own party dan say call contest awie and sana akwa sad simple like ABCD. Work in the Japan does not want to campaign for NPP for Samira Baumia to become a first lady. There's a beef.
Okay.
One person be campaigning for NPP to come to power. Now Abronye Ababe National Security Couple. You better than yes for National Security Couple.
All right.
Men transma sadinisi.
Okay.
And you pain. Yeah, which Ahithophel applied it and defeated later. All what I will say is Obi Obekacho say the base no biane and Aba and those are near Moya campaign Edmo Racket in the Japan. Now you have your choice to choose or racket in the Japan. But a catcher will say, don't apply and be on sycophantic spelling a bootlicking approach. And the Obia only can the Japan contest one tree dachi a behia babato today. Muamudi Netinwa, more defty Dr. Mahmoud Baumiano. They say, well, or go to the base. It is either you join him to code the base, and I say you go and because some of the utterances no irredeemable, irreversible. So bit radio so Dr. Baumia liar, where you liar. Who did the Japan today? How do you go to Dr. Baumia to reverse all these things? That's why we are saying that in politics we don't inherit enemies. Be very careful your utterances and obibia.
Yes, I was saying for another the base is baseless. The base is actually a movement for the personal interests of Otibonsu and Kennedy Japan and other guys here in Nimomo. Until the Omochia, you are just wasting your time. Put that one in your mind. Yamfa we NC na yan to aso yanko yanim. This time about Kennedy Japan, you can we use a good manner to speak about him.